G'day, it's Scott Wimpy here from First Aid, Accident and Emergency. We're a 100% local Gold Coast family-owned business, training right here in Varsity Lakes, Coomera, or we can even come to your workplace. We provided first aid training to over 150,000 local Gold Coast residents, and we can look after your business. And we've also supplied defibrillators to the Commonwealth Games, Parkrun Australia, and over 1,000 workplaces throughout Australia. We actually even saved a person in one of our first aid courses with CPR and a defibrillator, and we're the only first aid organisation that have done this in Australia to date. So if you're after a family-owned first aid specialist with amazing prices and great service, give our team a call here at First Aid, Accident and Emergency.